Ta-da!
Wow, look at this. Look at the ceiling height.
It's so tall.
It feels so much higher.
Yeah, this one has 5 bedrooms.
5 bedrooms.
Oh, so I made him go up on the roof too, just to make sure everything is okay. Aloha, this is Minyong. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii, and welcome to Ocean Pointe.
Ewa Beach is close to golf courses and the beach. It's a great place if you want a peaceful lifestyle outside of the city. Compared to Honolulu, homes here are more affordable and more space, which makes it very popular for families. One of the popular neighborhoods in Ewa Beach is called Ocean Pointe. It's a master-planned community with quiet streets and well-maintained homes. If you're looking for a good single-family houses or townhouse at a fair price compared to townside, this is a great option. It's about 40 minutes to Ala Center or downtown Honolulu by car, and just 5 minutes drive. There's a shopping center which has stores like Safeway, Ross, Starbucks, a pharmacy, and places to eat. It is pretty easy to get everything you're looking for. There are also schools, and there's schools in the area, making it, and lots of families like the area. So a lot of families like this neighborhood. So let's tour this home. So this is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, and space to park. And you can park up to 3 cars and about 2,852 square foot of living space. And the garage is about 400 square foot, which is lanai, about 123 square foot, so total size of 5,083 square foot approximately, which means there's a big yard. The price was $1,395,000, and it's a great deal for my client. So my clients are from San Francisco and getting ready for retirement. They bought this beautiful house to live in with their kids since it's hard for them to come to Hawaii often. We toured 7 homes in one day, and this property stood out because it has a high ceiling and has a yard and then plenty of space, so they decided to buy it right away. After they left, I hired a home inspector to check everything carefully. I reviewed the result and sent them a summary so they can see it all. Also, we went through the solar panel contract, and then I registered them, and then also helped them register for the condo, how to set up the internet cable, and the electricity, water service, and everything. If you're interested in buying homes or condo, feel free to reach out at any time. I'll take care of you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification.
Ta-da!
Wow, look at this. Look at the ceiling height.
It's so tall.
It feels so much higher.
Yeah. So that's what my clients liked. Once they come in, they can see this high ceiling, makes the house look bigger and more open. This would be the living room, and that would be the dining room.
Oh, it has its own dining room?
Ta-da!
Well, you don't really see this in town.
I know, right? So big.
I guess the condos in town don't have the size to have their own dining room, yeah?
Yeah, so that's what they're going for. They're looking for the size, and then they're looking for more than 3 bedrooms. But this one has 5 bedrooms.
5 bedrooms? Is it? I thought they were retiring.
Yeah, but they have kids and maybe grandkids in the future.
Maybe they'll visit, yeah?
Yeah, so, and they're so used to bigger sizes. But like a Kakao, Aloha, those area, it's that's very convenient neighborhood, but at the same time, size kind of small. But they're looking for something bigger and their price budget, and this came onto the market, and we got it.
I think this would be perfect because usually mainland people, they don't mind the drive.
No. So, there's shopping plaza nearby, right? So you can go shopping, and then the golf courses, so you can play golf.
All right. What's beyond that?
Beyond that is gonna be the kitchen. So every single space that you see, they don't get wasted.
It's true.
So everything's here. So this place, without the cabinet, there's nothing you can really do, but there's extension of the cabinets. So if you want to put any extra stuff, it's gonna be right here. Pantry.
It's a good sized pantry.
And the laundry room.
Laundry room. Has its own sink too.
Yeah. And this is the open kitchen.
It's very nice.
It is. And all the ventilation, it goes to the outside. So,
Oh, that's good. I hate it when they have those little microwaves that just shoot the air back in your face.
I know, right? And then another dining table. So this place is huge.
I guess the other one's a formal dining and this is just like your casual.
Yeah, like a breakfast dining room. There will be the dinner dining room. This property is about 2,800 square feet.
Wow.
Just inside.
Just inside?
Just inside. And then 4 seats. And then look at this.
Oh, it's beautiful. They have a waterfall countertop too.
I know it's pretty expensive to make it like this.
Looks like it was just recently renovated too.
Yeah. And then look at those painting. That's super clean. And this property has solars too.
Oh, that's good.
So it's more documents to look, but it was worth it.
What is this room?
So this gonna be your media room. Yeah, pretty nice, yeah. So maybe you can put a TV here. I don't know. Or here. Actually, this is where your TV goes.
Oh.
Right? And then, so I think that's my favorite part of this house.
What's that?
Ta-da!
Oh, wow.
So this is the perfect retirement home.
Wow, look at this. Is that an extra lanai or is that a garage?
That's the carport, and this is actually the garage.
Oh, wow.
It feels like Hawaii.
And if you didn't need an extra carport parking, you can use that as a a hangout, yeah?
So you can have 3 cars here. And you can also park on the street on the other side.
Are those tiki torches?
Yeah, they get torches.
Do they come with the property or is that
Yeah.
staging?
They come with a property.
Oh, nice.
So if you close the door, you don't hear anything.
So what kind of people normally live in Ocean Point?
You know, the outside, there's also a porch. There's a little staging item. And it has been there like long time and nobody took it.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah,
Shows it's safe.
it's safe. A lot of military people live nearby, so that's pretty awesome. So there's dishwasher and the refrigerator, freezer, an oven, microwave, everything. So we had a professional inspector coming in, inspecting the property. So my clients, they went back to California. So I was here just overlooking the inspection process, just making sure that they do everything. So and then we went over the report, also filmed the summary, so we can go over things. So even though you're away from the island, it's okay, I'll take care of everything.
So where are all the bedrooms?
So there are 4 bedrooms upstairs, and then for elderly person, you need a 1 bedroom, 1 downstairs, right? Because this one's perfect because it has 1 bedroom.
Oh, wow.
Ta-da!
Super convenient.
So we looked about 7 properties altogether just one day because they wanted to find something. They fell in love with this property, and then we came back for the second time, and we locked in.
That's good.
Yeah, so this is the first bedroom, plantation shutters. So if you want to block the sun, ta-da! Do it the other way. So you can sleep in.
Those are expensive.
They're expensive. And there's not even a dust. Crazy, huh? And ta-da! Of course, you have to have a closet. And then we'll go to the restroom. Okay. So when you have a guest over, they can just use this restroom, of course. And then, of course, if you're in the on the bedroom, you can also use this.
Super convenient.
Okay. So we can go upstairs.
Okay. Well, I like the carpet on the stairs.
Yeah, easy on your knees, yeah.
Yeah, especially when you're going up and down the stairs.
Just like me. So, ta-da! We'll go take a look at this primary.
Wow, look at the size of this place.
And then this is the double door, like a presidential suite.
You don't see that too often.
Ta-da! And come this way. And you can see a lot of trees outside.
That's nice.
And you don't really hear anything from the neighbors. It has a little resting area. This is as big as the studios in Kakao, right?
Yes.
And then the other thing, there's his closet and her closet.
So her closet, his closet. Wow, look at that tub.
I know, it's like white air. It's so, what do you call this? You don't really see this often in Hawaii,
Yeah,
right?
you don't.
It's so relaxing.
What if there's a leak?
Oh, we did an inspection, no leaks.
That's good.
And then,
Wow, the space is so big.
I know it's like pretty much you can sleep here too, it's so big, it's too long, right? And also if you want to look for a quick shower, there's a walk-in shower as well.
Oh, nice.
And then the bathroom, separate toilet.
There's lots of built-in cabinets.
Yeah. Well, that's what house is for, right? You use every single space of the whole property, okay?
Oh, this is a kid's room, huh?
Well, you can use it as a kid's room, but this one,
That's staging, or does it come with the property?
I think we're gonna ask for it. You know where they came from?
Where?
I thought it was Nirvana song, isn't it?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, but it's a kid's room. It's gonna be a rock star kid's room, right? And then the neighbor, you can see the neighborhood.
That's nice.
It's very peaceful, so many trees outside.
Actually, if it was a mainland person seeing this neighborhood for the first time, I'm pretty sure they would think this neighborhood is more expensive than in town.
Oh yeah, that's true, because the town is kind of small, right?
And old, and
Oh yeah.
this one has a lot better street frontage, yeah?
So this whole neighborhood is a newer neighborhood compared to the town side. Waikiki was been built, 1960? So some of them in Waikiki, they're built in like 1935.
It's like before World War II. Huh?
I know, right? So that would be crazy, but this one is fairly new, right? So that's the plus one.
Is that a crawl space for an attic?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So we had a professional inspector, and I made him go in and took a picture of the inside. So.
We have a bunch of pictures showing what the attic looks like.
Oh, clean.
300 degrees, very clean.
Oh wow,
Nice,
clean.
nice decking. Have insulation and tech shield above.
That's really going over the top.
That's what the professional inspector is for, right? We have to make sure. Oh, so I made him go up on the roof too, just to make sure everything is okay. So here we go. So this is like an office area.
Oh, it's very spacious.
It is very spacious.
Nice
This
trees.
is in treetop. So everywhere in this property you see tree, and also a closet with a mirror.
Wow.
Make the space look bigger, right? And the two vanities.
Lots of storage.
A lot of storage. And the last one, it's your gym.
Kind of a sad gym, but I guess that's all you need.
Yeah. So think about the house, right? Because there's no amenities. So you can build your own gym. But if you want, you can use that cardboard too, right? So
You have lots of room.
yeah, so you can be creative, right? And also very cost as well. So if you're looking for a property like this, feel free to contact me at any time. I'm always here to help. Thank you. Mahalo.